guys, welcome back to the shop Woman Engineering. My name is Greg. Today finally arrived, so we are going to pick up an Archdale Vertical Mill. I've purchased, I'm not sure, I think about like a week ago on eBay. I couldn't just resist, it was a really good price. A little bit of backstory about the machine. This guy purchased this machine about 30 years ago, and at this very moment this machine is in a factory that produces shoe polishing machines, I think. And before he purchased this machine, it was in a sausage factory in Leeds. Yep, you heard that right, a sausage factory. All I know about this machine is it is a vertical mill. It's about like 70-80 years old. It does not have a floating quill. There's not much I can tell you at this very moment, except the bed is in a horrible condition. I'll put up some pictures so you can see. Apart of that, everything is working on it, and it seemed to be a really good machine. Again, the price was right and I just couldn't resist. So I'm about to go to Leeds to pick up the machine, and I'll hope you come along the journey. That's machine maintenance, isn't it? Look at the guys.
I've got nothing to measure it against, that's the difficult bit.
Well, my horizontal is double of that. No, that's not right. But the weight? The weight might be that way. We don't know these. No, right? Let me get the bar. That's the motor one.
So, those are all the fastenings that came off.
More bikes are outside now. Yeah.
How is it now? Going up now?
Yeah.
That means we have to plug it, yeah?
It should stay on the easy, it's not up.
Take it close to your... Or just take that one.
Oh, if it goes up, yeah, that's fine.
Oh, wait. From now, I can use
Can you reach it?
Yeah, of course. Right, wait now.
No, go to the end.
No.
put the on the ramp. Yeah.
No, please.
Flatten, not, yeah. Put a little bit of fat on it.
Put it like that, put it like, no. No, put, yeah, okay, you can.
Good.
Put it down. It's on it. Yeah, I'll get this one out and then we'll go. Keep going, a bit more. Keep going. Time more. A little bit. Yeah. Come on, look. Okay, so let's do this.
Actually, I see is the cover on the front is moving. I don't know if it's wrong not to move like that.
because it's an angle.
Yeah, fair enough.
I think you can let it go. That way.
Someone's opening it.
Okay.
Yeah, a little bit.
Why?
Because only one pipe is under, and it's dipping. Okay, go ahead. Lower, lower, lower. Okay, wait up, careful, careful, careful. Yeah. No. Gotta go back a little bit. Okay, it's under. Oh, no. You can't close.
Sorry,
Okay, wonderful.
guys.
One again? Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. You can, yeah.
It's good.
Well, not screws. I want you to go back home.
The camera broke. I mean, the photo didn't break.
Well, you can't. We can't. That's the thing.
Why not? We can turn it
Because,
around.
oh yeah, we can turn it. One second. That's it. Wait. Yeah.
Oh, you can.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
My dad put this one. We got that bit. And we have the same winch. That's his truck. You can't, I don't think you can see it. Still got a bit more to go. After that, we're done. We're very busy. I have lots of machines, and especially my dad. He's buying all of this, he's helping me. And we have to do so much more to get everything we need. But I don't think that's going to happen in such a period of time. But I've got really good faith. He has more than 2 trucks. Do not ask me why. He's got more
So
than
they actually
2
can see you.
cars. Oh, nice.
The only thing we need to get now is the motor.
Which is the motor?
That one up there.
That one?
Yeah,
Oh!
We're just quickly gonna put these one in until we.
That is the motor. Pretty big. Oh, you see it now much better. Winch. As you see right now, they're putting these ramps back. He's got another truck that we had last time. If you have remembered the video of uploading that big machine. And my dad just bought this one today from eBay. Now he's engine up this because
This is the only thing.
this heavy sucker is hard. You guys alright with carrying that? And those are the plants that hang. Look how beautiful they are. Of course you can't see it now because it's night time and I mean, yeah, everyone's going to sleep. Hey.
See you next time, yeah?
And that was it for the video. So until next time, and subscribe please, and peace.
It was just a very long day, to be honest. Picking up the machine only took about like 20 minutes. I think behind me there's my son goofing around.
Oh, I'm really trying to get him.
Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Peace. On his tail. Oh, I can't.